Hi sir, my name is Chandrapriya. I am from ECA section. My roll number is 20BQ1A0411. Today I am going to discuss about string methods. Text processing involves many different operations on strings. There are so many types of string methods. We discuss about first 10 string methods. First one is count. This method returns the number of times a specified string. First one example is string enter a string value hello world, then string dot count ll, the count value is 1, then string dot count l, the count value is 3 in the hello world, in the place 1 2 3, so it shows 3. Next string dot count l, it shows 1. Next one is find. This method, the first occurrence position of the specified value, if the value is not found, it returns -1. Syntax for found is find string dot name find str value start and end value. Next example is string enter hello welcome to my world, string dot find e is in the place of 1, 0 is h is in the place of 0. Next string dot find e, starting value 5 and end value it's 10 and the e value is in place of 8. We find e value at 8th place. Next string dot find z. In the string hello welcome to my world there is no z, so it shows -1. Next index. This method finds the index of first occurrence of the specified value. If the value is not found, it raises a value error. Index syntax is string dot name index str value start end. Example, enter a string hello welcome to my world, string dot index e, the index value of e is 1, then index value of e in the range of 5 to 10 is 8. Next index, fourth one is alpha. This method returns true if all the characters in the string are alphabet letters, or otherwise it false. That means if we enter a string, it should have only alphabets, doesn't have any other characters, then it shows true. Here is the example is alpha, string name is alpha. Example, enter a string company, it shows true because it has all alphabets only. If we enter a company 10, then it shows false because it has an integer value of 10, integer value 10. Next is alpha. Fifth one is digit. This method returns true if all the characters in the string are digits, or otherwise it false. Suppose we enter a string value, it should have only a digit, not other characters, then it shows true. Example is string 520013, it shows true because it has all digits only. Then hello 520013, it shows false because it has a string value hello, that means alphabets. Next is lower. This method returns true if all the characters are in lowercase, otherwise false. If we enter a string, here is the example of is lower. If we enter a string hello world, hello 123, my name is Peter, a dot is lower is false because h is capital, b dot is lower is true, and c dot is lower is false because P is capital in C and H is capital in A. B has all letters in lowercase, so it shows true. Next is upper. Next one is upper. This method returns true if all the characters are in uppercase, otherwise false. Is upper. Example for is upper is enter a hello world and B is hello 123, C my name is Peter. A shows false, B dot is upper is false, and C dot is upper is true because it has all capital letters. Next eighth one is lower. This method returns a string where all characters are in lowercase, otherwise false. Some symbols and numbers are ignored. In case of is lower, only it takes only a lower case, and in case of lower, it can uh, it can takes lower case and other symbols or numbers. And example for lower is mm, enter a string. A is hello my friends, B hello 1 2 3 friends, A dot lower hello my friends, B dot lower hello 1 2 3 friends. This is the example for lower. That means A dot lower hello my friend, in that the friends are in capitals, and A dot lower converts hello my world into all in lowercase. Next B, it has numbers and also characters. Then also it avoid and print all characters, and is lower. Next mm, up, next upper. This method is string where all characters are in uppercase, symbols and numbers are ignored. It is same opposite to the lower. If we enter all cases are in lower, then it print all in case upper case. Here A equal to hello my world, B equal to hello 1 2 3, it print hello my world in capitals. B also, B dot upper also print hello 1 2 3 friends in capital. Next split. This method split a string into list of characters. Example for split is syntax is string name split, separator max separator split. Enter a string welcome to the world. A dot split, it splits the word into separate, and in strings welcome to the world, it separates the string value. Hello. Next B is hello my name is Hari, I am 28 years old. Hello my name Hari, I am 28 years old. It separates like this. Next split ash. Apple, C is apple, banana, cherry, orange. It splits the fruits into single strings. Apple, banana, cherry, orange, like this. These are the first 10 string methods. Thank you, sir.